Hello everyone, this is Larry from Legend Draw. Today we introduce our PTC draw bits. This one is PTC draw bits. The shake is DHD 340. And this diameter of the draw bits is 115 centimeters. Let's have a look. $115 centimeters. There are 7 buttons on the edge. The buttons diameter is 18 centimeters. There are 6 buttons in the center, which is 14 centimeters. These draw bits with the PTC buttons is different than normal buttons. This one is normal buttons. It's different. So, what's the advantage of the PTC draw bits? The PTC draw bits is 5 times of normal draw bits, well resistant. Okay, thank you.